Hi, it's Karma. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, we certainly hope you have a good time here with us and want to subscribe and like our channel. If you're returning, we always enjoy spending time with everyone that comes to the channel, and we appreciate you so very much. We're just a little itty bitty channel just getting started, and we really appreciate your support, your comments, all that good stuff. So today, doing kind of a quick impromptu video because my Lunarly box arrived and today is the new moon, so I had to hurry so we can get it videotaped so that I can use it tonight for my new moon ceremony. Super excited. I got the chakra box a couple of days ago, so I'm going to be using it, and that video will be coming up soon, as well as another crystal grid video, and oh yeah, look for a video called "Is God Offended by Crystals?" See what that has to say for you. Anyway, so here's our Lunarly box. It arrived today. I am fairly lucky because lots of people are having problems with the FedEx, and it's not arriving, well, it's arriving all mangled. So I am grateful for my FedEx people who are doing what they're supposed to do. It was sitting there with this side up exactly the way it was supposed to. Now, the boxes come, it says this side is up, and I'll just show you inside. Whoops. So you can see that the plant is very well packed in there. You have to kind of squiggle it out. This month is a plant month. That's why it's a big tall box, you can always tell. And I was a little bit worried because we're in Arizona and it's 115 degrees, 117 degrees, all that good stuff. So, and there's the little box, so I'll set that aside. Here's what the big box comes out looking like. It's a little bit of a tricky to get it undone. They've done a really good job. And you can see one little leaf come out, but you can see how well it's packed in there. Now, while I'm opening this, I have been doing some different things with my box openings to kind of see the format that goes over best. So if you're noticing some differences or you like the way the format is, the camera angle, what I'm doing, let me know. There we go. Beautiful. I don't know what kind it is, but it looks really good. Mine's in good shape. You do have to kind of look underneath in the thing, but that looks like it has good soil too. Now with the top, the moss on the top, some people take it out, some people leave it in. And that's always a question that gets asked by a lot of new people. It really depends on where you're at. Because if you're in a humid place and you leave this moss in and keep it wet, you're going to get bugs and that kind of thing. But like here where I'm in Arizona and everything dries out so fast, keeping the moss on there actually helps keep the roots so that they're okay. So now we have our box. And that's what it looks like when we open up the box. First, we have our card. Tells you the days of the months. It's usually a beautiful art card. And the intention to inspire this month: I attract abundance in every area of my life. A wealth of positivity surrounds me. I like that. I always like their intentions. I really like using those, so I'll probably use that. It says the sturgeon moon. The sturgeon moon got its name from the rise in sturgeon that once filled the rivers of lakes of North America this time of year. Not surprisingly, this moon is all about filling in abundance and prosperity. Make sure to cast a line out for new opportunities and try to remain patient as you wait for something to bite. So here we have sturgeon moon. On the back, it gives you all the information about plants, peperomia. Gives you light requirements, water requirements, humidity, optimum temperature, plant food, additional care, and toxicity. So then on the inside, it gives us all of our products. We'll look at that as we go. Oh my goodness. It looks like I got a journal, another journal. Oh, I'm so excited if that's what it is. I'm using mine now, but oh, to have another one when it's done. Oh my gosh, it is. Yay! So we got a new journal. That's amazing. I don't know why I got a new journal or if everyone got a new journal, but these are so amazing. It goes through and literally has each quarter of the moon and different sayings, and you can journal in there. I keep my notes on what videos I did or crystal grids I did, my research on the stones that I'm going to use, that kind of thing in here. So, oh, yay, yay, yay. Okay. Clarifying tea tree mint. Face serum. Clarifies and balances for a revitalized complexion. Spray it. Oh, that's nice. You definitely can smell the tea tree and the mint. Tastea Sleep. Relax your calm, nerves with our organic, delicious sleep. Tastea, Tastea. This blend smells and tastes amazing, and it's here to help you sleep just like a baby. You can also drink it anytime you need some rest during the day. It has chamomile, lavender, lemon balm, fennel, and linden. So let's open it up and see what it smells like. Really nice. I smell a lot of the lemon in there. So that'll be a great tea for sleep. That's awesome. Then we have our little tray for our plant. Vegan-friendly botanicals. Morocan rose superfood facial oil. Yum. There. There you go. A little bit. Sorry about that. And let's see. Put a tiny bit of this on my hand. I love rose, so, you know. Doesn't have a really big smell. Surprisingly. But I love all the products that they give, but like almost all of them I have just absolutely loved. And then we have, last but not least, our little baggie. This moon calls for confidence and courage. You'll find that sunny disposition in this stone. Sunstone is known for rousing your inner power. Embrace its energy to take the lead on a new or needed challenge. Great box. I always love their stuff, and I absolutely cannot wait to try it and use it. So thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Please look for a few more videos coming up in the next couple of days. I'm going to try and get something out at least every other day. So have a wonderful day,